What's up guys, Gamers out there, and today I have another vlog, and I have someone.
Hello guys.
She is my sister. No, she doesn't annoy me. Guys, today we have a surprise for you. What is her makeup? She does makeup always. She does makeup always. She doesn't.
I'm just changing my earrings. Just see it.
Look. Her damn earrings. I don't know. I don't love earrings, guys. I don't love it. Oh. So
we are just getting some
So guys, today I have a very special surprise for you all. That is not that what you're thinking. Can you come? Can you come? Hurry up, you. I don't know what to say her.
Don't give me a damn gully. I'm just joking.
गाली? यार मेरी शक्ल पे लिखा, मैं इसको गाली दूंगा वाकई?
जी.
I don't know what she's talking about. Hey, hurry up!
I'm just coming. My whole was going to be
Hey, guys, she doesn't know English that much. She's only in class 2.
Guys,
She's only in class 2. She doesn't know English that much. Guys, this is my bedroom. That right back is a decoration. Stop a minute. That back is a decoration. That's my TV. Sorry guys, I can't show you the channel. Sorry. Okay, that was my TV. That right here, there is a painting. This is storeroom. And guys,
this is not a painting. My chip was died, and I want to.
Hey, guys, and this is my AC Samsung DC inverter, 68% power saving. Okay guys, so now we're here in my lounge. Now this is a tuck. That's happy birthday. My birthday is at 15 November 2004. So I'm old. Hey, come on!
I'm coming.
This is my toy room. I make dub mash here. I will also send you dub mash. Tell me in the comments if you want my dub mashes or no. This is the window. This is my teddy. Teddy. There is. Hello, Teddy. These are my toys. Selfie. This is my library. This right here. This is my work table. The work table is mine. The board we sometimes play teacher. This is all my setup from inside. Hey, come on!
I'm coming. You just want to go. Yeah, then go.
Hey, you don't speak English, okay? Speak Urdu.
No.
Guys, she's just playing with the toys now, wasting time.
I can't play with the toys.
You know what? I'm gonna prank her in a video.
What?
Yes! Jaldi karo na! Guys, she's just collecting a container for... she is taking me to an adventure. I don't know what is it.
I found.
Then hurry up!
Then come.
She isn't coming!
No.
She doesn't understand my...
Come on.
Oh, finally? Hey guys, we are now moving out. Oh shit, a lot sunny today. My house. I'm going to show you my birds. Wait a minute. Hey guys, I'm going to show you my birds. Wait a minute, these are my birds. I'm opening the cage like this. Hey birdies, I'm here. Look guys, I have fantail pigeons Look at them. I have other two pigeons. Look at them. They are so awesome. I'm just going to grab my fantail. Push. Wait, come on. Guys, one minute. I'm just going to grip him. Put the tablet here for a second. Wait a minute. Baby. Stop. Ouch. You're hurting me. Hey, stop. Hey. Hey, stop. So guys, here we have him. My कबूतर. यार ये मेरा बड़ा प्यारा कबूतर है. मैं मंडी तो लिया सी. Oh shit. Oh. Come on, calm down. Calm down. Give me, dude. Ow. Hey. I don't know where my sister is. He's such a cutie bird. He's male. I have a pair. They haven't laid any egg. He's fancy. Look at his tail. He's an awesome birdie. Are you an awesome birdie? Hiding in my neck. I'm gonna let him fly. He's gonna fly. Go! Hey! You're on the ground. Fly! There we go. Hey, come here! Guys, these are my pigeons. Now I'm going to show you my other birds. I have to find a stand. These are my other birds. I have a lot of birds. Look at this. Look. My just एक झूला वूला है birds के लिए. There's a light, flashlight. We turn it on when it's night because in night time they can't see predators, and sometimes snakes also come. So there are nests, and I have a lot of birds. Look, bajri. वो देखो यार bajri. I have bajris. I have a java. I also have cockatiels. Hey, what happened? Come on, fly away. Okay, guys, I'm going out. Hey, guys, I'm in our another storeroom.
Guys, there is my teethers. There is so.
Hey, what is a teeter?
Teethers?
I don't know what she's saying. A teeter. Give me. What is it?
No.
Hey, give me. Guys, 1 minute. Hey, give me.
Don't open them.
There's some chicken. Oh, my.
इनको दबा के मत पकड़ना.
अच्छा.
Don't hold them so tightly.
Hey. Oh, tiny easy.
Oh my God.
Hey, go away.
Hey, don't hold him.
Guys, look. How tiny is he? Very tiny. Smaller than my hand.
Don't hold this.
So, why are you taking me to the adventure?
To catch some insects for them.
We're gonna catch insects. Hey, 1 minute. Put him in back.
There is just two. I have
Whoa.
two. One is mine and one is my brother's. There he is. He is so cute.
Give me. I'm going
It
to
is
put
yours.
him back. Yeah, the good one. Yours is the G one.
No, my one is so.
मतलब आयमा का बहुत चलाक है, मेरा बहुत शरीफ है भाई. मैंने कह दिए कलफ की जरूरत नहीं. Okay, so where are we? How are we going to catch insects?
Just come with me.
Okay, I'm coming. Hey! Their backpack. Their backpack. Okay, guys, we're just out to catch insects. How are we gonna catch them? I don't know how. Okay, so let's try to catch some right here. Guys, I also have some chicks.
Happy.
Look, some happy chicks. Oh, they run. That was a female. Okay.
I want to catch insects and put it in, and you're gonna be closing it. Yeah.
Okay. So where are we going to put the tablet?
Tablet?
I think we're just going to put it here so they can see us. Fans. Guys, can you all see us? Yes.
Yeah.
We're just going to catch them.
Now I want to put the insect in, and you want to really.
Okay. You just catch.
Hey, I'm just killing. Ah!
Hey!
Yes, I'm just scaring.
Whoa!
What the hell? Just kill him.
1 minute. I'm just going to grab him by my hands. Eggs. यार जल्दी पकड़ना.
I'm just catching.
Come on, get up.
Come on.
ये कैसे कर रही हो? वो डर जाएगा.
We want to kill him.
मारना है.
Yeah. ये मरे हुए खाते हैं.
मरे हुए.
हाँ.
पहले बताती गिराओ इनको और नीचे. औरों को गिराओ.
खुदा.
जाओ. Kill him.
Yeah.
किधर फेंका है यार?
Hey guys, the camera was on now. We catch so much now.
We just caught 2.
Yeah, that's true.
You don't know? We just caught 2. I don't think. Our
Give me that.
chicks.
Give me that. Just hold them. Hold
Okay.
them.
Let's go to the store. Ouch! यार जल्दी आओ आइमा.
I am coming.
Oh shit!
We can't have so much.
यार जल्दी आना.
We just have 3.
There's a honeybee flying around.
You scared?
Okay guys, we're now gonna feed them. यार अटक पाकिस्तान में तो यार गर्मी होती है. अटक में तो उफ तौबा.
Ay. No.
We're gonna open them. पकड़ना.
Aw, cuties.
I caught one.
Put it.
Go in.
Where are you, baby? Aw.
We're catching them.
I know this. Good, baby.
Now we're gonna feed them. Where are the insects?
And just eat the insects, babe.
Oh, I have so much. This so hot. Just turn on the fan.
Yeah, on the fan. Oh, there is it in. Oh, they finished all. Now we want to get some more, yeah, guys?
Guys, that was a video, please like, subscribe, comment and share. And no sponsor for vlogs. Allah Hafiz.